children. Today we are going to learn class 2nd, that is your poem The Star. In your textbook there is a one warm-up exercise. Let's solve that exercise first. Okay, here is one warm-up exercise for you. They have given 3 pictures, right? So we have to match which were the pictures to the correct words. So what is this? Which picture it is? World or diamond or sky? This looks is a sky. So we have to match here. SKY, sky. And which picture it is? This is a diamond. So we have to match here diamond. Then this is world, our beautiful world. So we have to match here our beautiful world. Okay, so move on to the new words part. So new words, here are the new words, that is twinkle. Twinkle means that shiny, brightness. Okay, how the stars are? Like shiny, right? It is a shiny stars twinkling in the sky. Okay, next, that is wonder. Wonder means a beautiful, a marvelous, something different, that is called as wonder. Diamond means a precious stone, which you can see in the picture. No, here it is, that is diamond. Diamond, right? Okay. Then blazing. Blazing means very hot. Blazing means what? Very hot. Traveler who is moving from one place to another place, that is called as traveler. Tiny means very little. Tiny means what? Very little. Then spark means brightness. Okay, whenever the stars twinkling, no, they spread their brightness, their spark. Move on to the peep. Peep means a small opening for a short time. For opening some short time, that is called as peep. Twinkle, wonder, diamond, blazing, traveler, tiny, spark and peep. These are all the new words of the poem The Star. Now move on to the poem reading, children. Okay? Yes. You have learned only one stanza in the previous classes, like KG sections, LKG, UKG. But in this class, for the 2nd standard, you have full poem about Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Okay? Yes. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. This much you know, okay? That is your first stanza. So, what the poet is trying to say that twinkle, twinkle, little star, ಸ್ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಹೇಗಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಟ್ವಿಂಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ. ಹೌ ಐ ವಂಡರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್. ಅಪ್ ಅಬೌವ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಸೋ ಹೈ, ವರ್ಲ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆಯಾ. ಹೇಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ನೀನು, ತುಂಬ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ ಥರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪೋಯೆಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Next, move on to the 2nd stanza. When the blazing sun is gone, when he nothing shines upon, then you show your little light, twinkle, twinkle on the night. See here, blazing means very hot. When the blazing sun is gone, ಯಾವಾಗ ಸನ್ನು very hot ಸನ್ನು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ. When the nothing shines upon, ಯಾವುದು ಶೈನಿ ಸ್ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Then you show your little light, ಅವಾಗ ನೀನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ, ನಿನ್ನ ಲೈಟನ್ನು ಶೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ. ಲೈಕ್ ಟ್ವಿಂಕಲ್ ಟ್ವಿಂಕಲ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ನೈಟ್, ಟ್ವಿಂಕಲ್ ಟ್ವಿಂಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಲೈಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಫುಲ್ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Then move on to the third stanza. Then the traveler in the dark thanks you for your tiny spark. He could not see which way to go if you did not twinkle so. So here, then the traveler in the dark. Traveler means who move on from one place to another. Traveler, in your textbook you can see this here. Okay, traveler one place ಇಂದ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕಾಣಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ರೋಡ್ ಕಾಣಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಡಾರ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ ಅಂತಂತಂದರೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಟೈನಿ ಸ್ಪಾರ್ಕನ್ನು, ಟೈನಿ ಲೈಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ, ಶೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ನೀನೇ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲರ್ಗೆ ವಿಚ್ ವೇ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲರ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಟು ದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ಯೋರ್ tiny spark. Okay, then the traveler in the dark thanks you for your tiny spark. He could not see which way to go if you did not twinkle so. Yes, move on to the fourth paragraph, fourth stanza. In the dark blue sky you keep, and often through my curtains peep, for you never shut your eye till the sun is in the sky. See, in the blue sky ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ನಿನ್ನ ಕರ್ಟನನ್ನು ನೀನು ಕವರ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ, ವಿಂಡೋ ಸೈಡು ನಿನ್ನ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆದಾಗ ಆವಾಗ ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸನ್ ಇರೋವರೆಗೂ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೌದಾ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಕತ್ಲಾಗ್ಬಿಡತ್ತೆ, ನಾವು ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಹೇಗೆ ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಕರ್ಟನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಲ್ಗಕ್ಕಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಆವಾಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಬಂದು ಹಾಯ್ ಹಲೋ ಹೇಳತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯೋರ್ ಬ್ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೈನಿ ಸ್ಪಾರ್ಕ್ lights the traveler in the dark, though I know not what you are, twinkle twinkle little star. In case ನಿನ್ನ ಲೈಟ್ಸ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದಿದ್ರೆ, ನಮಗೆ ದ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲರ್ಗೆ ಲೈಟ್ಸ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ವೇ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಿನ್ನ ಬ್ರೈಟ್ನೆಸ್ಸಿಂದ ದಟ್ ನೈಟ್ ವಂಡರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಬೌಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ poem. Okay, so one more time I am going to read that poem and we will going to find out some rhyming words in this poem. Okay, yes, read. Twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. So here the rhyming words are, so first one is star and R in the first stanza. Okay, rhyming words means which pronounce same sounds. High and sky. High and sky. Move on to the second stanza. Let's find out the rhyming words in the second stanza. When the blazing sun is gone, when he nothing shines upon, then you show your little light, twinkle twinkle all the night. So here light and night. Very could not see which way to go, if you did not twinkle so. In this stanza, dark and spark. Dark and spark are the rhyming words. Go and sow. Go and sow. These are the rhyming words. Then, in the dark blue sky you keep, and often through my curtains peep, for you never shut your eye till the sun is in the sky. Okay? So, sixth one, peep and keep. Peep and keep. These are the same pronunciation word. Okay? Yes. And the last one, I'm your bright and tiny spark, lights the traveler in the dark. Though I know not what you are, twinkle, twinkle, little star. Here, I and sky is also a rhyming word. I and sky. So overall, the rhyming words are, children, you can see here, star, are, high, sky, light, night, dark, spark, go, sow, peep, keep, eye, sky. I hope you all enjoy the star poem. Recite this poem. Thank you.